Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally OnePlus have started rolling out stable build of OxygenOS 15 for OnePlus 10 series. Currently the rollout have been started for OnePlus 10 Pro and it will be soon followed by OnePlus 10T. This will be the one video which will explain you all the features of OxygenOS 15 for OnePlus 10 series, and we'll also talk about those features which OnePlus haven't included. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 10 Pro. If you guys remember, I was a part of closed beta program and have been testing closed beta builds. But now if you see here under about section, there is no closed beta written here. OxygenOS version is 15.0, and if I scroll down going to version, you can see the version is 15.0.0.401. And also if you see the security patch, this build comes with 1st Jan 2025 security patch. Right now OnePlus is rolling out this update as release candidate, which is again a stable build which is released few days before to test out if any major bug is there or not. So this RC build, which is .401, will be received via OTA. So currently if you want to try out OxygenOS 15, just head to software update section, tap on these three dots, tap on beta program, and from here select release candidate. Under this you should find an update of OxygenOS 15. And here you can see the changelogs. We have a huge list of changelogs which include ultra animation effect and many more things. Let's cover each and every change in this video. And guys, now before moving ahead, we have somewhere around 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, so first we'll talk about the features which are not added, and those are layer 2 AI. So not even a single AI feature I have noticed on OnePlus 10 Pro. You consider the Notes application, we don't have AI assistant for notes. If you go to the recorder application, here also we don't have AI summary feature, not even circle to search feature. And also in the smart sidebar, there's not even a single AI feature. I mean the AI reply, AI summary, etc. So it's now 99% sure that OnePlus won't be giving AI features on OnePlus 10 series. But one good thing is, with the update of OxygenOS 15, OnePlus brings the new parallel rendering technology, which makes switching applications super smooth and fast even if you are using the phone heavily. Animations have also been improved for things like widgets, folders, and other components, so they feel smooth even if there are interruptions. They have also added better swiping support for applications like browser, making scrolling consistent and seamless across the system. So as per OnePlus, they have also added the OG OxygenOS features. One of them can be found in the calculator application, so whenever you press 1 plus equal, you will see the never settle Easter egg. And the second one is black and white theme combination, which can be applied in the entire UI. Here you can see in the control center, and to apply that you just have to go to wallpapers and style section, scroll down, tap on colors, and you should have this option called two-tone. If you select this option, you'll have the black and white theme. In the launcher, we do have two new icon packs which can be found here by going to the icon section. You can see there are two new icon pack. One is this radiance, and this is how it looks. If you select shadow, this is how the icons will look. They'll have the black background. My personal favorite is this radiance one, which I have applied on my device. If you use the radiance one, the stock application icons gets changed. For example, calculator, camera, recorder, etc. Now first let's talk about the customization. So like other OnePlus smartphones, even on OnePlus 10 Pro, you do have the customization options. And only one thing which I don't like, that OnePlus haven't given the option to directly customize the device from the lock screen itself. You have to go inside the settings, wallpapers and style, and from here you can make changes. But it's okay, OnePlus have given almost all the customization options what other OnePlus smartphones are getting with OxygenOS 15. So basically this is the new Flux theme what they have added, and here you do have some presets on the main page, and tapping on more, you have few more options to choose themes. Like for the classic you have 2, sleek you have 4, and things like pulse, healing moment, etc. There are some never settle themes also, and by opening any theme, you can customize your device. So towards the bottom side, you do get options to change wallpaper styles and enable depth effect. So currently in this wallpaper, you can't apply depth effect. We'll choose a different wallpaper. So for example, I'll take the stock ones, and here you can see the depth effect gets activated. So it all depends on the wallpaper to wallpaper, and if you tap on the text, you'll get few text styles, but there are no options to add custom text. You have to only choose the text what OnePlus have given. You can also change the color and the intensity too. And the same thing goes for the clock also. You can add additional info like weather, step counter, and there are some clock styles to choose from, and ability to make changes in the color. By default, the text color automatically changes depending on the wallpaper. But if you want to have custom color, that can also be done. Then under styles, we have the option like you can add the blur effect, and there are also some glass patterns available. So this is how you can customize the lock screen. If you swipe left, you also have an option to customize the home screen, which lets you select similar wallpaper for both lock screen and home screen. And if you want, you can also have a colorful background. There we get two options, gradients and solid color. And here you can see the transition between lock screen and always on display. Till now you guys must be aware about this new control center, now where you have two options, either to choose the split one or the classic one. So if you have the classic one enabled, it's similar to what we used to see on OxygenOS 14. But if you choose the split one, then for the control center you have to swipe from the right top corner, and for the notification panel from the left top corner. You can also use the gesture like swipe right or left to switch between notification and control center. And unlike on OnePlus 12, they haven't removed these rounded corners yet, which are recently removed on OnePlus 12. For the wallpapers also, they have added few new wallpapers. And always on display you'll have this option of seamless and classic. So I always prefer choosing the seamless one because you get to see that nice transition. Other than that, we don't get any kind of new AOD styles. Everything remains exactly same. There's also this new fingerprint animation called Halo animation, and it's added on almost every OnePlus smartphone. And as I told you guys about the AI features which were not added, so one thing which I forgot to mention, even in the Photos application we don't get to see any AI feature. Like we have the similar stuff, no AI editor what we have seen on other OnePlus smartphones. But one thing what OnePlus have done here, like for example if you make changes in any of the photo and later on just save that photo, it doesn't matter you replace the original one or not, but if you later want the original settings, you can just tap on edit and you have the option to revert. Using this, you can get back the default settings for that particular photo. No major change to be seen in the gallery UI. Now talking about the camera application, so here you get to see some new filters. So soon you open the camera application, tapping on the filter icon. Here you can see we have some new filters being added by OnePlus. Even OnePlus 10 Pro had the Hasselblad branding, but still OnePlus haven't added those new watermarks which they recently added on OnePlus 12. We have the same watermark options. And now on OxygenOS 15, if you are inside any of the application, you can use the swipe up gesture to open that particular application in splits mode or floating windows. You can see if you swipe the application and drop it towards the left hand side, it opens up in the split window, or if you drag towards the right top side, the application will open up in floating windows. And we also have the support of this gesture. For example, if you touch and hold on the application from the bottom side and later pull the application, it will open up in full screen. There's one more feature what they have added related to notification. So for example, whenever you get any kind of message, soon you see the notification, you just have to drag that notification and that particular application will open up in floating windows. We also have the multiple app support for the live capsule. You can see now torch option is also available. And along with the torch, they have also brought the charging animation support. And you can see the transition is super smooth even on OnePlus 10 Pro. You can slide towards the right hand side to switch between the applications. OnePlus have also added the ability to share files with iPhones using Share with iPhone feature. And with upcoming updates, we also might get to see things like Touch to Share with iPhones, which was recently rolled out for OnePlus 12. And in the changelog, they have mentioned that you can also share the live photos, but live photo option is not available on OnePlus 10 Pro currently. And OnePlus have also upgraded the hide application feature. So if you have enabled the hide application feature, now you can customize the home screen icon, which lets you choose few presets of the icons and also lets you set a custom name so that people doesn't get to know that this folder consists of hide application. They have also done some UI changes in the private save. Now you can see a proper segregation of image, audio, document, etc. Now on the home screen, if you have enlarged folder, you do have a grid size of 3x3. On OxygenOS 15, you'll also find this phone manager application, but I kind of found this application quite useful because it optimizes your device after every reboot. And if any unwanted caches are built up, you can easily clean that with single click. You have things like System Boost, which closes all the applications from the background to make your device run faster. Under changelogs, they have also mentioned about this charging limitation feature, but I think this feature was already present on OxygenOS 14. You also get to see this repair mode. So if you are giving your device to service center for any kind of repair, you can enter the repair mode and the technician will not be able to access your personal data. Without that, they can repair your device. So guys, these are all the changes what you guys will see with OxygenOS 15. In-depth review will be dropping soon for OnePlus 10 Pro. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.